In class 4, exercise 7C, and mention that there is a exercise 7C is the last exercise for your half yearly syllabus. Okay, so half yearly syllabus of chapter 1 to 7C. Okay, only chapter 1 to 7C comes in. Okay, so half yearly and periodical chapter 1 to 7C. Okay, this is the last part of class 4 exercise 7. Okay, then after 7 from 7D begin course syllabus of annual. Okay, here compare the following fraction 2 by 3 and 1 by 4. Now compare the number fraction 2 by 3 and 1 by 4. First make the like fraction as here 3 and here 4. So make as taking LCM as 12. If you make here 12 by multiplying by 4 and here also multiplying by 4, then after here multiplying by 3 and here multiplying by 3. Okay, so it's 12, 8 by 12 and this 3 by 12. So now 8 by 12 and 3 by 12. Which is greatest fraction? 8 by 12, because if denominators are same, then whichever numerator is greater, that is the greatest fraction. Okay, so 2 by 3, which is the, okay, so 8 by 12 is the multiple of 2 by 3 now, so 2 by 3 is greatest than 1 by 4. Now next 2 by 3 and 3 by 6. Again here 6, so you can make it 6 by multiplying by 2 now. So multiplying by 2 and it makes us denominator 6 and 2 2s are 4. Now 4 by 6 and 3 by 6. Which is greater? 4 by 6 na? So 2 by 3 is greatest. 2 by 3 is greatest. Now next 1 by 2 and 5 by 6. Which is greatest? 1 by 2 and 5 by 6 given. So because here 1 by 2 and here 6. So with which number you multiply to make 6? 3. So if you multiply in denominator by 3, then multiply by numerator into 3. Okay, so it's make 3 by 6 and it's 5 by 6. Which is greater? 5 by 6. Okay, so 5 by 6 is greater than 1 by 2. Now 3 by 5 and 7 by 8. LCM of 5 and 8, 40. LCM of 5 and 8 is 40. 5 8 ja 40 and 3 8 ja 24. Okay, then after 8 5 ja 40, then 7 5 ja 35, because if you multiplying in here by 5, you also multiplying on numerator by 5. Okay, either you can make LCM figure just like 5 8 ja 40, 5 8 ja 40, 8 3 ja 24, 8 5 ja 40, 5 7 ja 35. ठीक है, इसी को मैंने इस तरह से लिखा है. ओके, 3 by 5, 7 by 8. Which is greater? 35 by 40 now, so 7 by 8 is greatest. Now here 7 by 12 and 6 by 13. So 12 here 13, the LCM 12 into 13 na, 12 into 13 is the LCM. So here if you make 12 into 13, okay, then here 13 into 7, here 13 into 7. Okay, then after next 13 1 ja 13, cut 12 into 6. 13 7 ja 91. Then after 12 6 ja 72. Okay, then after here whichever 12 into 13 makes 12 3 ja 36. Then after 12 1 ja 12 and 3 15, 156. Whichever is greater, 91 or 72? 72 is less than 291. So 7 by 12 is greatest. Here 5 by 7 and 20 by 28. Make 7 as 28 by multiplying by 4. Okay, then after 5 into 4 also. 7 4 ja 28, 5 4 ja 20. So 20 by 28, 20 by 28. Both are fraction equal. Now second, write correct sign greater than, less than, equal 1 is to 2 by 3. 1 whole 2 by 3 given. So make as improper fraction 3 1 ja 3 plus 2 5 by 3. Here 5 by 4. Because your numerator is similar, so whichever denominator is smallest, that is the greatest fraction. So 5 by 3 is greatest. Okay. Then here 7 is to 5 by 6 given, make improper. 7 6 ja 42 plus 5 47 by 6. Okay. Then 7 9 ja 63 plus 4 67. 63 plus 4 67 by 9. Okay. Now if you make as like fraction by taking LCM of denominator 6 and 9 as 18. 6 3 ja 18, 47 into 3. Then after 9 2 ja 18 and 67 into 2. Okay. Then after here 47 into 3, 7 3 ja 21, 4 3 ja 12 plus 2 14. Okay. Then here 7 into 2 14, 6 into 2 12 plus 1 13. Whichever is greater, 141 na. So 7 is to 5 by 6 is greater. Compare this whole. First make improper fraction, then after convert in like decimal by taking LCM of denominators, then after whichever numerator is greater, that is the greatest fraction. Okay. Move to question number 3. Write in ascending order. Okay. So first make the like fraction with the whole, because here 4 6 10 two different denominators na. So make LCM of these four numbers 4 6 and 10 and 2 are 60. Okay. So 4 15, 4 15 ja 15 4 ja 16 na. So 15 1 into 1 15. Then after 16 10 ja 60 to 10 into 5 50, 10 into 5 50. Then 10 6 ja 60, 6 7 ja 42. Okay. Then here 2 30, 30 1 ja 30. Okay. Now make the ascending order, lowest to greatest. Which is lowest? Here, because 15 by 60, then after 30 by 60, then after 42 by 60, then after at last 50 by 60. As it is, which is 50 by 60? 5 by 6. Okay. So make it as originally 5 by 6, then after 1 by 4. It's 1 by 4. It's not 50 15. 1 by 4 first, 1 by 4. Okay. Then after 1 by 2. Then after, which is here 42, that is 7 by 10. Then after at last 5 by 6 is greatest. Okay. Now move to the next. 5 by 6, 5 by 12, 5 by 18, 5 by 3. Take a LCM of whole denominators as 36. Okay. 6 6 ja 36, 6 5 ja 30, 12 3 ja 36 and 3 5 ja 15, 18 2 ja 36 and 5 2 ja 10, 3 12 ja 36, 3 12 ja 36, 12 5 ja 60. Then after 30 by 36, 15 by 36, 10 by 36, 60 by 36. Okay. Now arrange in ascending order. 10 by 36, 15 by 36, 30 by 36, then 60 by 36. Now in original fraction, as 10 is third fraction 5 by 18, 15 is second fraction 5 by 12, 30 is first fraction 5 by 6, and at last 5 by 3. Okay. As it is, do the another, write in descending order here. First question is 9 by 20, 4 by 15, then after 7 by 10 and 7 by 40. make the like fraction as taking LCM of this whole fraction as LCM is 120. 20, if divide to 120, what you get as quotient? 6. 6 into 9, 54. 15, if divide to 120, what you get as quotient? 8. 8 4 ja 32. Then after 10, if divide 120, you get 12 as quotient. 12 into 7, 84. Then 4, with 3 quotient, 21. Okay, now 21 by 120, 32 by 120, ascending order. Oh sorry, it's not ascending, it's descending order now. So you have to make first 84 by 120, then after 54 by 120, then after 32 by 120, and at last 21 by 120. Okay, original fraction 84 of 7 by 10, then after 54 of 9 by 20, 7 by 10, then after 9 by 20, and at last 30 here 32 by 120 of 4 by 15, and at end here with 7 by 40. 7 by 40. Okay, now the next. Okay, so here the next question of question number 4b. Here LCM is 36. 9 4 ja 36. 4 into 3 12. Okay, so now 3 12 ja 36 na. Here 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 12 2 ja 24. 6 6 ja 36, 3 ja 18, 12 3 ja 7, 3 ja 21. Okay, now in descending order as it is now. So 24 by 36, 21 by 36, 18 by 36, then 12 by 36. Original fraction 24, it's 2 by 3, 21 by 36 of 7 by 12, 18 by 36 of 3 by 6, and 12 by 36 of 3 by 9. Okay, this is the answer. As it is, do this whole question as it is given in your PDF. Which of the following fraction are in lowest term? So find out which is in lowest term. तो लोवेस्ट टर्म क्या होता है जो कि अब उसको और भी ज्यादा लोवेस्ट टर्म में अब कन्वर्ट ना हो सके, लास्ट लोवेस्ट टर्म होता है. ठीक है, हियर 1 and 5, इसमें और भी किसी नंबर से अब डिवीजन ना हो सके. सो यह एक्सेप्ट टू 1 से तो हो ही सकता है. 1 and 5 here given 1 by 5. So neither any one number which divide to both number. Okay, तो यहाँ पे कोई ऐसा नंबर नहीं है जो कि दोनों नंबर्स को न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर दोनों को डिवाइड कर सके. ऐसा कोई सेम नंबर हमें नहीं मिलेगा. So 1 by 5 is the lowest term. Here 2 by 6. 2 can be divided by 2 and you get 1. Then after 6 can be divided by 2 also and you get 3. So 1 by 3 is the lowest term of B. Okay, here so 1 by 5 is lowest term. 5 by 10 is also not a lowest term because it can be converted in lowest term as a 1 by 2. 5 2 ja 10, so 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is in lowest term and 9 by 11 is also in lowest term. So A, D and E in lowest term. Reduce to the lowest term now. 10 by 20 as it is you write 1 by 2. Okay, then after here 45 by 60 given na. 15 3 ja 45 and 15 4 ja 60. So 3 by 4. 3 by 4 of second. Then after here see 12 can be divided by 4 and 20 also can be divided by 4. So here 4 3 ja 12 and 4 5 ja 20. Okay, so now 40 by 80 given and the lowest term of 40 by 80, first you cut 0 0, then after 4 by 8. 4 2 ja 8, so it's converted in lowest term as 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is the answer of 40 by 80. Now 100 by 500 can be converted in lowest term as 1 by 5. Now 125 by 500, 25 5 ja 125, and 25 2 ja 50. Okay, 25 2 ja 50 and 0, so 5 by 20. Then after, if you cut it, 1 by 4 is the answer of 125 by 500, can be converted in lowest term as 1 by 4. Okay. Okay, then after here 15 can be divided by 15 fully, and 75 is also divided by 15. So 15 5 ja 75. Okay, so 1 by 5 is the lowest term. 70 by 85 here given, so find out the HCF of 70 and 85 and divide by those number. Then after 8 by 12 given, 8 and 12 का HCF लीजिए और उसी नंबर से हमें डिवाइड कर देना होता है न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर को. Then you find lowest term of the fraction. Okay, this is the last part of half yearly syllabus, exercise 7C. Okay, practice and all the best.